it's Kate with WTI, and if you want to be the envy of everyone at the pool, check out these pool floaties from FUNNYTA. Now, we recently went on vacation and we packed these in our suitcase. So they are super portable. They pack down really tiny. When you get there, you can inflate them and then be ready to enjoy and lounge in the pool. This makes for zero effort relaxation. So they come in packs of 2. We have a pink one and a blue one. The ends both inflate into a nice little cushion, and then the center is mesh. You can use this all sorts of ways. We personally like to use it as a lounge chair, so we would sit on the mesh and have those little cushions as our armrests. It was incredible. We had so many people asking about our floaties in the pool. You can also use this laying down or as a saddle. There's all kinds of ways to use these floaties, however you find it most comfortable. They stay inflated really well. We used them all week and never had to reinflate. They blow up in just a couple of breaths, so you won't be winded by the time you're ready to go swimming. We found the construction really good. It stayed together excellent. So if you want to make your day at the pool just that much more relaxing, I highly recommend these pool floaties, and that's my point of view.